there is no way to target train your fingers. You would have to try and lose overall weight, but the shape of your hands and the weight on your fingers is way too small of an area to actually target. If you wanted to try and slim down your hands, you would have to actually start with kind of a grip strength. So sometimes people will hold a ball and kind of squeeze it, and that would help this small amount of muscle that you do have to try and build slightly. They're almost like physical therapy exercises. There's also some forearm movements that you would do, because if you're looking for a more muscular look on your hands or fingers, you would have to add in forearms too. Some of those movements basically just requires holding a weight, and then you would keep a surface. And then you would rotate the fist towards you, and then being mindful not to forget to rotate it in the opposite direction. And also you would use that weight and push against it also. So that's going to kind of build up the definition here. It'll build up the strength also. So functionally speaking, it's useful. And then as far as hands, that's when you would try and squeeze the ball. And again, there's a couple of grip strength kind of mechanisms that they have that you could use to try and increase it, but you're limited in how much muscle you can actually build or thinness you can get in just your fingers.